Rocky. The brave Sam McDonald prepares to take on her first big cliff with some wicked bumps, as you all can see.
Alright, you guys videotaping?
Yeah! Oh! Oh, she's going a little prematurely! Go, Sarah, go! And there she goes! Oh, she fell down a little bit in the snow down there, but it's okay. Just a little bit. She's up. She's getting her hat. That's her, that little speck down there. This is really bad Australian accent, but I'm not good at it. She's good. She's coming back up. And now Brianna goes. Hello, Brianna.
Huh?
Alright. Bracing herself. Any last words for the camera?
If I die, you can have my car.
I don't want your car.